I'm all about products that take care of tasks, that saves me time, and I can focus on the things that I care about more other than cleaning. The Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max is the product that you need if you have a pool. It's going to be able to clean up and take care of a lot of different tasks that you don't have to worry about doing. This thing is very intelligent. It's got a lot of AI type features. So we're going to get into all that and go over some of those features and some of the things that stand out to me the most. It saves time and money because you're not having to spend time cleaning on the pool like you would normally have to do. And if you wanted to hire someone else to do it, I mean, you would have to have that person come out more times to equal the amount of time that the pool robot takes care of. So it really does help you save time and money. Even those 3 boxes, it's basically just packaged well, and it includes the robot, the caddy, and the accessories needed to make all this happen. I want to say it took about a solid hour to get all this put together in the installation, get everything up and running and going. And just a little heads up, I had a little bit of connectivity problems at first, but it seemed to work itself out. I don't know if the troubleshooting was something that helped or if there was just something on the back end, like the system was down or something, but anyways, it would not connect at the Wi-Fi location at the house that I was at, so you ended up taking it to a different location with a different Wi-Fi setup and it connected fine there. Took it back to the original place and it connected and everything was fine. So I don't know if it was a system issue or if it was just, I don't know, technology being a pain in the butt. Either way, it worked itself out and it's been working fine since. The first dive, I was excited to see this thing in action. I was first introduced to this product over at CES this year, and it was just a fantastic demonstration for one, but it just has some really cool features that I was curious to see how it was going to work in real life. The particular pool that we're working with actually is a pretty challenging one. Now, I was very interested to see how it would tackle some of the obstacles that it would have. First of all, it's got a pretty good slope on the deep end, and then towards the shallow end, it's got a few different kind of stair types. Really curious to see how I was going to navigate all that. All right, so this thing packs in a ton, and I want to go over those features with you. I like the branding of this. It says it's your poolside hero. It actually has a hero mode, and what that does is like set and forget. Like you can basically, well, once it's done depleting the battery, you got to charge it, but you put on hero mode and it pretty much just detects everything that you need to have it do. Not much thinking about it. I mean, you could have other settings that just does the surface, does the walls, the floor, but in my opinion, I'd rather just let it do its thing, and if I need to make an adjustment, I can. It's got complete pool coverage. So like I said, from everywhere around, it's got the surface, the walls, the floor, steps, and it even avoids some obstacles here and there too. It's equipped with TVC engine and unstoppable mobility that's got powerful cleaning. The suction on this thing is actually pretty impressive to me. And that's one of the things, it's a very powerful robot. This thing will climb a wall without a problem. It's got the world's strongest suction at 8,500 GPH. It's powered by a 9-motor system, and it's partnered with a micro mesh. And what that means is that it's got a really nice filter system that you can actually customize. You can have a very fine filter or kind of like a regular one. It's got intelligent cleaning for superior cleaning performance. The OmniSense 2.0 utilizes 40 sensors for precise pool mapping. The adaptive Smart Path FlexPath 2.0 is powered by a quad-core intelligent chip. The auto mode adaptive cleaning technology significantly boosts the cleaning efficiency. And what I love about this, and if you've had a pool robot before that had a cord to it, this thing's basically cordless. The only cord that you have to worry about is the one that goes from the caddy to the wall, so that way it can charge wirelessly. Literally, the caddy is like a dock that you put the robot onto and it charges from that. That's amazing to me. Not only is the caddy a charging station, but it helps you move it around. So you're not lifting up a heavy item, having to carry it over. All kinds of accidents could happen from that kind of experience. So what they do is they eliminate that. You can roll this to the spot that you want to place the pool robot down into. Very nice and easy to do it that way. And what's neat about this is that the robot is basically this all-in-one tool. You don't have to have a bunch of different kind of tools. Literally all you gotta do is just set the different modes that you wanna accomplish, and it's gonna clean the pool without having to swap out any kind of parts. I wanna talk about this cleaning features and what it does and how it cleans it. Stabilizing dual jet technology adheres to the wall, so it has effective scrubbing of oil stains and algae. The horizontal waterline cleaning, it's got Waveline 2.0 technology that cleans 5 centimeters above the waterline, delivering continuous cleaning for 30 seconds. As far as surface cleaning goes, exclusive anti-leak baffle and vortex injet combination deliver exceptional surface suction, capturing up to 146 large leaves per hour. I've mentioned the suction power, but let's actually get into a little bit more details about that because it's actually very fascinating to me. It's a 9-brushless motor system. And what that means is that it's powered by Aiper's exclusive dual jet technology, delivering unmatched suction and strength for superior cleaning and performance. The 4 brushes deliver strong scrubbing power to effectively tackle and capture dirt and debris wherever it goes. All right, debris is definitely a problem if you have trees and just all kinds of stuff around your pool property. This particular one has a lot of leaves and the backyard's on a slope, so when it rains, guess what? Stuff just kind of trickles down into the pool. So it's one of those constant kind of things, especially after the rainstorm, this pool has to get cleaned up. So this is the tech channel, a pool robot. Great, wonderful, does a pretty good job of taking care of the pool. But what fascinates me is being able to manage this thing with an app. And that's the cool part to me. That's what I love the most about this, because you can customize the experience, you can manage the robot, you can tell it what to do, and just all the different things. But what's really neat to me, and even just using my GoPro into the water, it loses connection. So that was, I'm trying to wirelessly do stuff, even just capturing footage for this. What's neat about this whole setup is that it's got a HydroCom Pro. You drop it in the water, it's got a solar panel on top, so that's how it stays charged, and you tether it to a hook. And what that does is while the pool robot is underwater, it will communicate to this pod to your app, so you can still tell it what to do. Like if you need to retrieve it, you press the button to retrieve it and it comes back to the surface, you can do what you need to do. Or if you need to stop what it's doing and change the mode of what you want it to do. For example, if you just want the surface to be cleaned, you change it to that mode. And you can do that with the app because of this pod. It's really neat to me that you can communicate with the pool robot while it's underwater. That's insane to me. Let me paint the picture of what it's like using the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max on your regular pool maintenance. So let's just say it's all charged up. You take it away from the wall, then you roll it with the caddy and go to the position that you want to drop the pool robot down into. What I like to do is park it and then open up the app and get all the settings that you want dialed in, whatever kind of mode that you want to use. And then you lift it up off the caddy and put it into the pool. And you let it do its thing. Now it takes a few hours for the battery to die, so you're gonna be able to go off and do other things. Once it needs charged back up, what it does is it climbs the wall and goes into this parking mode. So it'll literally just sit there until you're ready to take it out of the water. Take it out of the water, put it on the caddy, roll it back to your charging spot, let it charge up. That's really what it takes. This is actually the first pool robot that I've ever owned, and I think it's a great start. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, I'll have a link down below in the video description. If you've got any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. If you're using this, let me know what your experience is like, and I'm curious to see how you'd use your time while you're not having to worry about using a pool boy or yourself to clean the pool.